Google Docs, 4 types of line spacing. This is single, 1.15, 1.5, and this is what we call double space. How to do it? Okay, I leave you this document in the information of the video so you can practice. Go to File, make a copy, and you can modify it. Put your own name. That's it. Now I can see all the menus I need. So after a bit of zoom, single space, I select the paragraph and I click on here, single space. 1.15, it's here and it's already chosen. 1.5 is this option. All this is also available in this other menu, Format, Line and Paragraph Spacing. Here you can also choose double space. And to finish, space before or after the paragraphs. This is before the paragraph, so here, and add a space before. And here you have a bit of a space in between lines, before every paragraph. This would be after the paragraph, and this would be both, before and after. First I choose before and then after. And there we have it. Okay, see you next time.